Today I'm changing a battery in a Toyota RAV4 Key Fob. This is for a 2020. It's the same for 2019 up to 2021. I don't know if they've changed it for the new generation, but I can say that it'll work for the other ones. The first thing I did there was hit this little release button and take our backup key out. That's if your battery goes dead in the key fob or the car, you can still get into it. So I just hit that switch, opened it up, go here. I like to put the buttons facing down when I do this. Now there's a little slot right there, and that's where we put, try to get some light on it. You'll see there, that's where we throw our screwdriver, and then we gently twist until it pops. Now, when we open this guy up, there's a little electric, the main device, it is the device, and there's our CR2032 battery. Then they're over in this corner. We pop this out, boom, that comes out. And when you're putting the new battery in, make sure that the plus sign is up. That goes in there. If you accidentally put it the other way, you can swap it, but plus sign is up. There'll be a link in the description to this battery. If you have any questions, let me know. If you do take this out, it's no big deal. This is just the whole module, and there's a protective, like a water protective rubber cover there. I just thought it was a little bit easier to do the RAV4 side than the button side. So then when we put this back together, kind of find where all those things are and press it back into place. And throw our key in, boom, and that's it. If this was helpful, give a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time.